Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Kreuzberg, a seriously impressive Python library for text extraction. It's amazing what it can do.
I'm really excited to hear about this. From the GitHub page, it seems like it handles a huge range of file types. Is that right?
Absolutely. PDFs, images, all sorts of Office documents, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, even obscure formats like DocBook, XML, and FictionBook. It's unbelievable. The breadth of support.
Wow. So how does it actually work? Does it rely on external APIs or cloud services?
Nope. That's one of its best features. It's all local processing. No API calls. No cloud dependencies. It's designed for resource efficiency, making it perfect for serverless functions or Dockerized applications. Think lightweight and fast.
That's a huge advantage, especially for privacy and offline use cases. What about the installation? Is it complicated?
Surprisingly straightforward. You need Pandoc and Tesseract OCR, but the instructions cover Linux, macOS, and Windows. It's all handled via apt, brew, or Choco, depending on your OS. Really simple.
And what about the actual extraction process? Is it a simple API?
Yes. It's got a clean, async interface. Functions like extract file and extract bytes handle single files, while batch extract file and batch extract bytes let you process multiple files concurrently. It even supports synchronous operations if you need them.
Concurrent processing? That sounds powerful. How does it handle different file types internally?
It's smart. For PDFs, it first tries to extract text directly. If that fails, or if it's a scanned PDF, it uses Tesseract OCR. For other formats, it leverages libraries like Python-PPTX for PowerPoint, Calamine for Excel, and Pandoc for a whole bunch of others. It's a really elegant architecture.
So it's essentially a Swiss Army knife for text extraction. But what about error handling? What if something goes wrong?
Excellent question. It has robust error handling with custom exceptions for validation errors, parsing errors, OCR failures, and missing dependencies. Each exception provides detailed context, making debugging a breeze. Really well thought out.
That's impressive. It sounds like a very well-designed library. Are there any limitations I should be aware of?
Well, for extremely complex OCR tasks like, handwriting or really blurry images, a specialized tool might be better, but for most common document types, it's fantastic.
I see. Interesting. So overall, Kreuzberg seems like a fantastic tool for anyone working with text extraction in Python. The combination of broad format support, local processing, and a clean API is really compelling.
Absolutely. It's a game changer for RAG applications and anyone needing efficient, reliable text extraction. And it's open source under the MIT license, so feel free to contribute. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Kreuzberg. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.